naka-online pala, boy! This is Terminal 2 of Narita International Airport, a place, much like you, piqued my curiosity about its interior. The structure is quite simple, resembling a long stretch of Lego blocks. Notably, the hallway leading to the immigration area remains bare. During my immigration process, I observed that the personnel were relatively young, and I was impressed by how the seniors efficiently handled computer-related tasks. As I passed through the arrival gate, I encountered a typical building with several stalls. Some of them were still closed due to early morning arrival. To truly enjoy Japan, the first task for every tourist is to exchange their local currency for yen. There's a currency exchange machine next to the escalator on the ground floor, but unfortunately, it was out of order when I arrived. However, ATM machines are widely available if you need to withdraw cash from your card. Fortunately, as early as 6 a.m., the currency exchange shop at the basement was already open. Adjacent to it were ticket booths for all trains. Including the Suica vending machine. Since regular Suica card wasn't available at that time, I opted for the welcome Suica card, which is free and allow you to load it with your desired amount.
Thank you. Please take everything with you.
A few meters away, you will find the ticket counter for all the trains. If you plan to take the rapid KC line to Tokyo, head straight to the next basement floor. Japan excels in travel efficiency, and you will find luggage counter widely available, especially at the metro station. I decided to leave my belongings in a basement 1 baggage locker. Which impressed me with its computerized technology. The rate of 500 yen for 6-hour storage period was reasonable.
Press muna natin English. Yan. Suika talaga. Teka. Checking in. Putting back. Okay.
Please start checking procedures. Following.
Gosh. 400. Okay. One more. Sana meron ako. Sandaan pa. Oh my god, wala akong sandaan.
Please pay the amount shown on the screen.
Oh, okay.
You will need the receipt to take out your baggage. Please be sure to take the receipt. Thank you for using.
For those with extra activities near Narita Airport like me, buses are conveniently located outside the terminal building for various destinations. Terminal 2's standout feature is housing Yoshinoya, where I enjoyed a self-cooked meal for dinner and breakfast. A few steps away from Yoshinoya, I discovered an anime store, but unfortunately, it was about to close for good, with all items on sale. Terminal 2 also boasts its small area on the 4th floor, featuring numerous food, souvenir, and retail shops. Even at the airport, most shops close at 8 p.m. So I missed the chance to visit the Pokemon shop by 15 minutes late. For plane spotters like me, there's a perfect place to indulge in these activities. One remarkable feature of this airport is Japan's airline's self-check-in, allowing you to process your check-in and baggage procedures in less than 10 minutes. Inside the departure building, you can enjoy last-minute shopping at duty-free Akihabara, where you can find the best Japanese food items, souvenirs, and electronics. If you haven't had the chance to taste the best soft ice cream in Japan, don't worry. Excelsior Cafe serves Cremea ice cream, a must-try before leaving Japan. The best experience inside the terminal is participating in a tourism survey. Which rewards you afterward. The waiting area is passenger friendly, with power outlets at every seat for convenient gadget charging. That concludes my tour of Narita Airport Terminal 2. Until the next episode.